来看美国农业部伫昨起可两间有得到 FDA 美国食品药物管理局批准哦，以动物细胞生产制作人造鸡肉，会当上市的许可。
食品科技业者以 Just 旗下的加州好肉公司上边食品的人造鸡肉，利益得到美国农业部认定安全会当食，所落来都会当伫全国餐馆超市来供应。
Cultivated meat, put really simply, is real meat that is grown from animal cells. The meat that we cultivate is actually biologically the same. It could be a chicken fillet, it could be a hamburger, a hot dog.
人造鸡肉开启肉类生产新时代，大大减少放牧，专门种植只维持动物仔的牛草，加降低动物仔排放对环境的冲击。也毋过，人造鸡肉像产度看起来乐观，也毋过无代表将来的屠宰都会安尼变少。人造肉的成本比饲出来悬真济，而且也袂当像传统肉类安尼大规模的生产。
It's at least 2 years, probably more than that. It'll be very small volumes. So think less than 5,000 pounds sold. And ultimately, to get to a point, we'll need to build much larger infrastructure.
The real challenge would be how can you make enough chicken meat in the fermenter at the cost of the chicken, which is the lowest one.
目前，上边公司拍算生产大肉片，然后做成鸡排，也是烟签的型。好肉公司进前已经核准采用这种制成的新加坡，制造出鸡排、鸡甲、肉丝加沙底。公司新闻黄文林编译。